Subscribe to Nigeria's Craziest. Press the bell icon and never miss another video update.
Hello guys, welcome to this episode. Jan Joshua. Eh? Why are you smiling? Hope there's no problem. Shekosi.
I'm fine.
You're fine.
Yeah.
We are sure you're fine.
Very, very fine.
Why are you smiling like this? Hope there's.
I'm fine. Just that small hungry cashing.
Have you seen somebody that is hungry that is smiling?
So I should be crying.
Have you seen people that are hungry and they are smiling?
Okay.
Is that what you're doing? It's called suffering and smiling. Yeah, rolling. That's what Fela call it.
They were giving ourselves hope. Hope of the hopeless.
Okay, you're hopeless.
No,
I've been saying it. This is what I've been saying since that you don't have
hope of the hopeless.
This is what I've been saying.
We are praying that God give me the hope of the hopeless and you too.
No, me, I have hope. I don't know what you're talking about.
So I'm just smiling. Though I'm very, very hungry, but it's fine. We'll be alright. You understand? Enough, yeah. Hope day.
Okay, guys, welcome to this episode. Let's go. We want to take a look at the ECG pastors, how they go. So we want to talk about how ECG pastors, when they go out to commit their
acromities.
Yeah, you have started.
Their acromities. You don't know what
atrocities.
No.
When they commit their atrocities, they will look for a way to steal your phone because they don't know if you have recorded them in those atrocities. Let's they call it mafia. Let's read the chat. They say, if your phone was robbed after sleeping with these ECG pastors and their papa, it was a setup. They call it mafia style. Being robbers and you call this thing church. Night farm. So the chat goes, this one is right. Yes, bro. Cool. Can a phone be taken away?
This one, right? They don't send the person picture. So
say yes, bro. Cool. Can a phone be taken away? He said yes, it's possible.
Wait.
This one Apple mafia. They know what they call it, mafia.
How though?
Say, see, she doesn't know me and I can make a hookup with me and her, so I know which places she goes to. Then I will follow up on her. Trust me, it's easy. Where does she stay? Is this around PTA?
PTA meeting?
No, PTA. I'm sure it's this one. I say, okay, bro. She stays in PTA. So when they have gone to commit, they see you in church. They like you.
You commit what?
Commit their acromities according to you.
They commit many acromities.
According to you. When they commit their acromities.
Yes.
According to John Joshua.
Yes.
They will find a way. They will send another pastor. It's not them. They will send another pastor to go and do hookup with the girl. So now we chat to the girl, say maybe you say I saw a vision for you. A vision and a danger is coming.
Let's meet at so place. They will
meet. They will hook up. Magaya themselves. Use their umboro. Wipe all give themselves from behind. So after they hook up, they will magaya
again.
That's again. After you have magaya the first pastor,
you now go.
Or maybe you and the other pastor, they have chat or something, or you have magaya them. You now magaya another pastor.
But with what you just said, now that means these girls
they are passing them around like property.
They get too. They like competition.
What's competition?
Competition.
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 Prostitution.
You don't know that they used to sleep up and down. They sleep with everybody.
That's
competition.
Competition.
Yes, competition.
What is prostitution?
Say it again.
What is? I will not say it again because you are trying to think.
I'm not thinking, please.
I know how your mind works.
Because your pronunciation is somehow. Do your pronunciation well. That is where somebody.
I said prostitution.
That is the law given by a country of a state.
You mean constitution?
You see the boy. Then they bring another English. That one na curse, make them curse person.
I'm not going to go into this with you. Let's just stick to the topic at hand.
You understand? So the one seeing it, let's say the pastors, they love to have sex with all the girls. If you see the way they pass those girls around too, you will see that those girls have sex inferiority concepts.
Hey God. What is inferiority concept? What do you mean inferiority complex?
No, in CD1, no get sense. If I say a shopping complex or shopping center, I mean say these girls, they have love for sex. They access addiction construction.
Wait, you have left sex inferiority concept. We have not resolved that one. You have piled more on top. No problem.
Life is about move on. I have moved. I don't waste time for.
It's okay.
All
it's
that
okay.
that.
You see the ECG pastors.
But those girls too.
Is this to tell you that both Bushiri's PRO, all the pastors, plus the Papa himself, they do this thing. Sleep with different women in church. There's a saying that says, it's not an African saying, but it says, birds of a feather flock together.
Now who flock them? Wait, now who flock them? Birds of the same feather flock them together.
I didn't say flock.
What did you say?
I did not say flock.
I
said flock.
What the flock? What flock?
Flock is FLOCK.
What
is FLOG?
What the difference?
How
can you say bird of the same feather? Did they have the same feather? Okay, bird now. Where be mama?
I didn't say the same feather. I said bird of a feather.
Okay.
They flock together.
Now who flock them?
I didn't say flock now.
Now why are you mentioning flock? It is
I said flock.
What the difference between flock and flock? Flocking flock. Flocking flockless. What the difference? The same bird they are flying. Okay, bird the way we say bird the mama day, the small baby day. Do you tell me that they had the same feather? Do you tell me that?
I never said that.
That's what you are saying.
I said the bird of a
listen to me. Listen to me. I've said your bird of the same. They flock them together. Are they thief? Did they do round robber? Did they thief any bank? Did they thief your money? Did they thief anybody food that they now catch them? They now tie them. They now begin to flog them together. Think now. What are you saying? But they flog them. Who flog them? Okay, they come to school late. Or they come to church late. The next say because you are late, I catch them. Tie them for that feeling. Begin to give them 31 syrup on kings.
But I never said flog. When did I say flog here?
Okay, what did they say? What did he say?
I said bird of a feather flock together.
Oh yeah, wait. What the participant of flock? Is it not flock, flockler, flockist?
There's no past participle of flog.
Hey, what kind of cool you go? The boy no buko. I just discover you now. Ha! Discovery was supposed to carry you. Floggiest. That is the first fascisticular of flock. In flock, floggiest. You know, I told you complete your primary elementary education. You say you no agree. I say go university. You say no. Now you don't know first fascicular of a flock. And you are shouting elementary GNS 101. But ordinary flock. Hey, the boy. You know when they teach all this thing, the time what they teach in primary, you know Kerenche. That was when I teach the children. This Kerenche, the children they were how old? How old were they then?
So
they were 3 months, half months.
When did crèche turn to Kerenche?
They are the children of the small fascicular. Very small.
That's why it's called Kerenche.
Yes. They are very small because these children, they don't know anything. You teach them from that part. I teach all these children. They are 3 months old and 1 month old when they born them.
So how did my simple say bed of enter Kerenche? I don't understand what.
Because that is what they teach them when they were very small. You are supposed to have learned first fascicula of a flock right from Kerenche. You did not grow up in Kerenche class. They did not take you for Kerenche class. I don't know where you learn your English for. I don't know where you go to school.
Joshua,
Eh?
let's finish this episode. I'm starting to have headache. I don't know how I deal with you. Maybe I will put a packet of paracetamol to be swallowing because I'm having headache already.
You need it, oh. You need it because you are the one giving yourself headache.
Shiri ECG pastors continue stealing people's phones, oh. So you go steal people's phones when you sleep with them. You steal their phones. Then what do you think they do with the phone? Will they sell it?
No, you know what they do is they steal the phone. Immediately they are there. What they do is they go straight to their internet, delete conversation. Most time, if they are not able to delete conversation, they might force them to open. Maybe people have password. They might force them to open. When they open, they threaten, they open, they delete everything. So no matter where you go, they will tell you there is no evidence. No matter where you go, tell anybody. They will collect the phone and they will collect the phone from them. The phone down go.
Look at this.
They will have to collect it.
Useless
because they don't want them to expose them.
That one is just a
that place is not a church. It's a ashawo house.
Spirit of fornication is laying on hands on people, spreading fornication all over the country. Hey, you have international visitors, they come, you lay your fornication hand on them, you and your ECG pastors, they carry that spirit of fornication abroad to go and be spreading nonsense abroad. Thieves, onyoshi, onyi Thank you guys for watching this episode.
Don't forget to say shout out to Charles Farah.
You are too much, my brother. Keep it coming.
More are coming.
Keep it coming. We have more. Don't worry. You people will see something. Don't worry. I'm so bad. There's no problem. We are following them up back to back. Thank you guys for watching this episode. Don't forget, my name is Laugh Mayor. Follow me on Instagram. His name is John Joshua Comedian. Follow me on Instagram at John Joshua Comedian. Don't forget, follow us on all our social media handles at Ninjas Cages. For a token fee, you can have a product display. Don't forget, you can become our patron for details $1 to as much as $1,000. Don't forget, we have our merchandise. It's on Teespring. The link is in the description. Don't forget, we have a backup channel. It's called My African Truth. The link is also in the description. Don't forget, question everything because normal is better. Thank you.